think it was a great event. I'm really excited that Vertiv invited us to participate, and it's refreshing to see an audience that's engaged. They want to ask questions, they want to learn. This whole AI journey is just getting started, and I see us being attached to Vertiv on lots of opportunities.
The business is growing rapidly, and we need each other, so we need our partners, and we need our consultants, we need to share experiences, we need to work together to bring our products and our solutions to the market and help our customers also achieve their goals.
People are still amazed at the speed of infrastructure build-outs, AI factory build-outs, and the speed at which we need to innovate in order to be able to answer the AI factory needs of tomorrow. And what we were able to show to those consultants and customers today is what Vertiv can offer as solutions for both power, data center infrastructure, and cooling solutions.